right, coming up. One of the biggest changes you'll notice right off the bat is there was a huge fireplace dividing wall right here, and then another dividing wall right there, blocking off the kitchen, and it is all open and very nice. New fireplace over here instead. Yeah. UJJB. Back at it again. Kitchen, all redone. Nice brand new appliances. This really cool dark cabinet countertop with the white oak and very light feel with the dark accents, making them really pop. Very nice. And then that goes throughout. There are some things that still need to be done, but it's for the most part everything finished. We got an office here, guest bedroom here, and then the master bedroom here. And then you have that walk-in closet, and an amazing photo of Rome that I took. This is my housewarming present for him. It's kind of hard to tell on the camera, but this is awesome. All under lighting in here as well. I had it on earlier, there we go. And as well as this is a steam shower. And as you can see up top, there is the glass encloses, and there's a full steam shower. As you can see, the under lighting here on the shelves, heated floors as well on the tile. Amazing feeling on your feet, but fully surround, all brand new there. That white oak starts in this hallway and then goes throughout the whole top floor and bottom floor. This is a really cool part of it. This is a big reason why my client bought the house. Is we're going down into the bottom floor. From the front door, you have half steps, and then you come into this area that is like a communal area with washer dryer, and then this door over here goes to the garage, which is a extra deep 2-car garage with like a little workbench area as well, and it fits like an F350 long bed. And then the other door here locks out to the 1-bedroom apartment. What's super nice here is you got a lot of natural light. It's all above grade, as you can see here. Really nice touches there. You have the big 1-bedroom here, spacious room. Again, really nice lighting coming in through the window. I don't even have the lights on. Look, the lights aren't even on in here. You have a light and a fan, and it's really, really bright in here. So it definitely doesn't feel like you're in a basement apartment, really. And then you have brand new shower here as well with those nice dark finishes. So that's what we got. I hope you liked the video walkthrough. Really amazing. Love what he did to the place, especially looking at the before and after photos.
Got it all done in just over 2 months. So he really came in here and just did really quality work at a record pace. So, great. If you want remodels, hit me up. I'll give you Christian's contact that remodeled the place. And owner is open to selling, but message me if that's something you're interested in. For now, he's gonna live in it. He built it as if he was gonna live in it, so didn't cut corners or anything. So, I thought I'd do a little before and after video to show you kind of one of the projects my clients did after closing with him on a good deal.